Think Bixby is dead in One UI 7.0? Think again. It just got a stealthy upgrade. Samsung may be shining the spotlight on Google's Gemini in One UI 7.0, but Bixby isn't going anywhere. In fact, it's quietly getting better. With the new update, the default voice assistant when you press the side button is now Gemini, thanks to Samsung's tighter partnership with Google. This raised a lot of questions. Has Samsung finally ditched Bixby? Spoiler alert, nope. Bixby is still around and evolving, just not in your face. It now has its own dedicated app, redesigned with a cleaner, more modern look. You can type or speak commands into it, just like before. The difference? It's focused more on phone-level tasks, changing settings, opening apps, setting events. It's not about full conversations like Gemini. Think of it as your hands-free remote control for the phone. Samsung originally launched Bixby in 2017 as its answer to Google Assistant. It grew steadily with features like Bixby Vision and Bixby Home. But in recent years, it's taken a back seat, especially now with Gemini front and center. At the Galaxy Unpacked 2025 event, Samsung even confirmed that the side button would default to Gemini in One UI 7.0. But here's the twist. You can still bring Bixby back. Here are two ways to reassign the side button. 1. Settings, Advanced Features, Side Button, Long Press, Bixby. 2. Open Bixby app, Settings, Top Right, Side Button Settings, Long Press, Bixby. Once set, summoning Bixby brings up a slick new UI, better touch controls, a more compact layout, and an expandable screen to view command history. No voice conversations like Gemini, but it's cleaner and more efficient than before. Even Bixby Vision is getting a fresh redesign, showing that Samsung hasn't abandoned its smart assistant. It's just evolving it for a new era. So don't count Bixby out yet. It's still in the game, just playing a different role.